Hello, I'm Josh Young. This is my bike check. I got a Fit Part 2 frame, stock. I got a Sputnik headset. There's that Sputnik right there.
Why does that name on it?
And then I got a Fit Dropo stem, but it's upward. And I got Fit Sky High bars, S&M sticker, don't be confused. Got the best grips in the world. Some ODI long neck grips. I got a duo seat with Thermalite post. And I got a regular just KMC chain. Awesome. I got a Fit sprocket. Don't know what kind it is. I just know it's Fit. And then I got some premium V2 cranks. Yeah. And some Odyssey pedals. Odyssey Twisted PC. And I got the Alienation Black Sheet back rim with premium hub. And I got some just regular pegs, some regular steel ones. I don't know, they work good. Fuck it. And I got a Power Block tire. Power Block. And it's actually really awesome because it's light. And I got Fit Blade forks. And the premium wheel. And some stolen Tioga tires. I don't know. They're Tioga, but it says stolen on them, so fuck it. Yep, and that's my bike check. Dudes.